Hello, my name is Benicio Sanchez and I'm going to present the Chapter 6, Humans in the Biosphere. Humans, like all forms of life, rely on Earth's life support ecosystems. And like all other organisms, we affect our environment when we obtain food, eliminate waste products, and build places to live. Ecological science can teach us how to use natural resources to meet our needs without causing long-term environmental harm. Using resources in such an environmentally conscious way is called sustainable development. Sustainable development provides for human needs while preserving the ecosystems that produce natural resources. Sustainable development should not cause long-term harm to the soil, water, and climate in which it depends. It should consume as little energy and material as possible, and it should be flexible to survive environmental stresses. Sustainable development encourages us to take care of the environment and only use what we really need to not cause a long-term environmental harm. Soil resources. It is possible to minimize soil erosion through careful management of both agriculture and forestry. We have to take care of the soil because we can deforestate or desertificate environments. Freshwater resources. Humans depend on freshwater and freshwater ecosystems for goods and services, including drinking water, industry, and transport. So it is really important to us to take care of it. The key for sustainable water use is to protect the natural systems involved in the water cycle. Atmospheric resource. The atmosphere is a common resource whose quality has direct effect on health. After all, the atmosphere produces oxygen that we breathe. This is why we have to take care of it. There isn't a way to get rid of contamination, but we can try to use less contaminants to make the atmosphere more healthy. Biological diversity, or biodiversity, is the total of all the genetically based variation in all organisms in the biosphere. Biodiversity exists on three levels. Ecosystem diversity, that are the habitats, communities, and ecological processes in the biosphere. Species diversity is the number of different species in the biosphere. And genetic diversity, that is all the different genetic information carried by a particular species. The human activity is the biggest threat to biodiversity because it's the principal cause of killing the animals, destroying habitats, and contaminating the world. To conserve biodiversity, we must protect individual species, preserve habitats and ecosystems, and make certain that human neighbors or protected areas benefit from participating in conservation efforts. The ecological footprint is the total amount of functioning ecosystem needed both to provide resources a human population uses and to absorb the wastes the population generates. The basic principles of ecology can guide us toward a sustainable future. By recognizing a problem in the environment, researching that problem to determine its cause, and then using scientific understanding to change our behavior. If we do this, we can have a positive impact on the global environment.